Ever wondered how money travels around the globe? Meet the foreign exchange market, or FX, where nations trade currencies at agreed rates. It's a global network open to all. Ever swap currency for a trip? You've participated in the FX market. If you take a trip from London to Japan, the GBP to JPY exchange rate becomes an important factor in your holiday budget. This rate fluctuates in small amounts from time to time, influenced by economic data. It precisely dictates how much JPY you'll receive in exchange for your GBP. When dealing with small sums of money, such as exchanging cash to go on holiday, this difference may seem negligible. But if you significantly increase the volume of money, this difference can soon add up to bigger volumes of cash. Unlike stocks or commodities, there's no central exchange for trading FX. Instead, currency is traded through an electronic global network of banks, dealers, and brokers. The FX market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. If you want to immerse yourself in the trading industry and become a profitable trader, then join our Hidden Talents program today.